In this video, I show you how to reset the service light on Mercedes Vito 2016. Let's start. Ignition key has to be position 1. It's answering telephone answering button. You need to press and hold, and then immediately press and hold the OK button. Press and hold, and hold on yes. That's in screen. You need to press this down arrow, bring on assist plus, press OK. Service data, bring on full service, scroll down to full service, press OK. Service B, confirm with OK. OK. Choose the all grade, whatever you're using. Let's do this one. Press OK. All grade. This one is a carried out service. Scroll down to yes. Press OK. Cannot be undone. Scroll down to confirm. Press OK. Full service is completed. That's all done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for the new videos. Bye for now.